Hey, welcome to Twisted Dice. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for joining us. We really do appreciate it. And for everyone else that's already been and subscribed to the channel, we just want to say a massive great thank you to everyone that's helped us get to this 7,000 subscriber mark. It's been absolutely freaking awesome and we really do appreciate it. Today, as a thank you, I want to give a chance to one lucky subscriber the opportunity to win Fabius Bile that's been painted by myself to a nice standard. Hopefully you've seen the pictures on Facebook, Instagram and onto our YouTube channel as well. And if you are that lucky person that's had the opportunity to win this fella, I have done a live stream, so you can go back and you can see the colours that I've done for this. So if you want to replicate the rest of your army, you have that opportunity, or even if you just want to copy what I've done to produce this awesome figure. Again, all the building blocks are there for free for you to pick up. Anyway, how to enter into this competition? Nice and easy. First of all, what we need you to do is be subscribed to the channel. So to enter into the competition, A, you've got to be subscribed to the channel. B, you've got to have liked this video. And C, you've got to drop a comment down below on what's been your favorite content from Twisted Dice. Now, if you want to get another chance of entering into this competition, oh, I love it when there's more chances to enter. To get another chance at entering into this competition, all we need you to do is come over to our Facebook page, come find us out. You'll find the link for this competition in our Facebook page. All we ask you to do is to share it and to tag 3 of your friends into the post. And if you want to have another chance of entering into this competition, we've also got our Instagram's account, mine and Ace's. So if you want to get a double bubble chance of getting into that competition, come find us out on Instagram. Mine is down as Twisted Dice and Ace is Aceface. But into the description of the channel, you'll find all the links there. And again, find the post, tag 3 friends into that, and that'll give you an opportunity again to have another little chance of entering into this competition. And then for the final one, to say a massive great thank you to all the patrons that have given us that extra bit of support. That we really do appreciate all the support we get from everyone that watches our videos, likes our videos, subscribes to the channels. Massive great thank you. But just that extra bit of thank you to all the patrons. If you want to get that little bit extra, anyone that's a patron to Twisted Dice under $1 and above will get 5 chances of getting in, and anyone at $6 and above will get 10 chances of getting in. That's it. Nice, easy, simple way of getting some cheeky ways of entering into this competition. Now, we're going to do this draw on the 1st of August is when I'm going to announce the lucky winner, and it's going to be done by random, as we always done with all our competitions. It's done by random. So I just want to say a massive great thank you again from ourselves for helping us get to where we are at the moment, and hopefully with all the help and support from all you awesome people out there, hopefully we can aim for that 10,000 sub mark. That's our aim goal. So if you can help us on that, we'd really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch this, and hopefully I'll catch you all again very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.